morning. Welcome to Lake Grapevine, Scott's Landing Marina. Hard to believe that a little over a month ago we were 16 feet below level. This is the dry storage, not so dry anymore. Turn around and this is where the parking lot began. And as you can see, no parking lot. This is where the dumpsters were. And here's our walkway. There's the boat ramp, the boat launch. It's actually in the parking lot at this point, and I think they've given up on it. You see these poles? These are the electric poles on the edge of the parking lot. There's a street light that lights up the parking lot. Here's the main power poles. Here's the other boat launches. That's the main power pole. That's the part that's touching the water right now. Would normally be above my head, about 6 foot tall at least. And this would be where the parking lot ended and the walkway to the marina began. As you can see, not quite. Used to be a campground over there. These are our flag stanchions. That's about a 30 to 35 foot pole. You can see where it's at now, so I could basically reach up and touch the flag. And here's the beginning of the ramp that we would normally take to walk down to the marina. See, we're walking up to the marina. So, to put this in perspective, that's what we just walked over. I think the drought is over.